Do you really need big capital just to start in trading? A lot of beginners, they think na ang trading ay para sa mayaman lang, para sa mga experts lang, para sa mga bangko lang. And they always think na kailangan may million ka dyan para makapagsimula ka. The truth is, yes, capital is important, but not the most important. Here in trading, what matters first is, number one, skill. Kahit na $100 lang yan. Kung marunong ka mag-manage ng risk, lalaki at lalaki rin yan. Number two, mindset. Dapat meron kang compounding mindset. Hindi yung get rich quick. Kasi sometimes naglagay ko $100. Pero in your mind, gusto mo yung $100 mo, $1,000 agad kinabukasan. Or kumita ka agad na milyon. Hindi ganon. Kasi kung ganon yung mindset mo, mauubos agad talaga yung $100 kasi higher risk, higher reward. So if you are expecting for higher reward, then you're risking higher. So you have to think long term and kailangan matutunan mo kung paano ba yung compounding mindset. So ngayon magko-compute tayo kung paano ba yung compounding. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa website, ang Legendary Trading Academy, www.legendarytradingacademy.com. So dito kayo mapupunta niyan. Ayan. So ngayon, all you have to do is to sign up here and then pag na-complete nyo na to, and nakagawa na kayo ng account dito, makaka-receive kayo ng login details nyo. So since merong account na ako, magla-login na lang ako. So, ayan, nakapag-login na tayo. So, ngayon pupunta tayo dito sa Trading Calculators. E dito sa Trading Calculators, magko-compute tayo ng compounding. So, dito tayo sa compounding calculator. So, ngayon, say for example, ang balance natin is $100 lang. And then, ang goal natin is 90 days. Say for example, 3 months. So, 90 days, ilang percent ang goal lang natin per day? Say for example, ang goal natin na kitain natin per day is 3%. So imagine niyo, meron ka lang balance $100, nag-deposit ka lang ng mga roughly around 5,000 pesos. For the next 3 months, meron kang kikitain na 3% per period or per trading man mo. So ngayon, nakalculate ka na dito na after 90 days, magkakaroon ka daw ng $1,430 or a total gain of 1,330% as long as you will follow this. So, sa day 1 mo, ang trade mo is sa $100 na capital, 3% na gain, then ang ending balance mo is 103 kasi $3 yung kikitain mo. And then the next trading day, yung $103 mo which is nag-compound dahil dun sa ending balance mo na kinita mo from yesterday, then magkakaroon ka naman ng $106.09 the next day. And then, ito naman kinita mo on your second day, i-compound mo yan the next day on your third day, and then, kung magkano kikitain mo dyan, na 3%, yun din yung magiging compounding income mo. So, mula day 1 hanggang pababa, hanggang mag-90 days yan, as long as you will keep the 3% income per day, then, on your 90th day, meron kang 1,430. So yes, possible na makapag-trade ka kahit maliit lang yung capital mo. As long as you have the compounding mindset. And lastly, ang pinakakailangan mo is disiplina. Kasi syempre, kung meron ka ng $500 dyan sa account mo, mafe-feel mo mag-overtrade ka, mag-over-leverage ka, mag-over-lot size ka, kasi overconfident ka na sa strategy mo. Kasi like for how many days, okay yung trades mo. So ang mangyari sa'yo is, you will no longer follow kung ano yung nakaset na rule mo, which is dapat 3% per day ka lang. So, since you're risking too much, and because you're not disciplined, yung capital mo is no longer protected. You're risking your capital or yung pinagkakitaan mo for the last 30 days. Because you thought sobrang invincible ka na or ang galing-galing mo na. So, always remember to have this discipline to protect always your capital because the profit will just follow. You always have to remember that trading is not always about big capital. It is about starting right. Yes, ang mas malaking puhunan, mas malaki ang potential growth. Pero mas malaki rin yung risk nito if wala ka pang system. Kaya bago ka magdagdag sa capital mo, make sure na magdagdag ka muna at mag-invest ka muna sa learnings. Kasi I promise you, kahit gaano kalaki or gaano kaliit yung capital na meron ka dyan sa account mo, kaya mo yan mag-grow. That is why, ngayon, magkakaroon ako sa sarili ko ng $100 challenge. So, inopen ko yan in public sa MyFX book para matrack nyo and makita nyo. And kung gusto nyo sabayan yung $100 challenge ko, hanggang matapos itong taon ng December, then I will definitely reward you. All you have to do is to submit your MyFX book na naka-public para on December, check natin lahat kung sino ba yung may pinakamalaking profit na nag-deposit lang ng $100. So, ilalagay ko sa comment section yung MyFX book link ko para maging transparent sa inyo and then sabay-sabay tayong magpalago ng ating $100 and let us inspire everyone na yes, kahit maliit ang kapital, kahit $100 lang, kaya natin yung palago. And as long as we will apply the three main things, which is skill, mindset, and discipline. So now, if you wanted to start investing in your own knowledge, then I highly recommend Legendary Trading Academy. We will be teaching you not just the skill, not just the strategy, but also proper risk management, discipline, and proper psychology. Just simply visit our Facebook, Legendary Trading Academy, and our website, legendarytradingacademy.com. Check my comment section for the links that you will be needing to start your trading journey. Thank you guys, and have a great Sunday.